Alright, y'all. I was on my lunch. I went to go get me some groceries. And it was like, let me try out this spot right here. Yeah, so I was like, I'm still outside, you know. I'm doing my little, you know, my 1-2 with the driving and shit. So I was like, fuck it, let me check it out since I'm back over on this side. I hate driving over here because I hate skinny streets. And then, you know, I'm still new. So I'm like trying to like not stay too close to the yellow line, but you know, you want to be centered. Crazy ass job might fucking nick my shit and then boom. In the hospital, 10 years. Can't speak. Took my spot. So I just got me something simple. I got me a shrimp basket with Cajun fries and sauce, a little Cajun sauce on the side. It came to 19 because the sauce was, it's like, it'll probably been like 13, you know, $13 or something like that. But then I asked for the sauce on the side just because I want to see. I'm looking for my next high and juicy. Right? I'm looking for my next high and juicy. I haven't found it yet. I need to find it. So I'm looking right now. So hopefully this is the one. Y'all pray for me. I can get back to you guys when I get my food and I'm in my car. Got the food. See how this shit gonna be. Yo. Man, it's alright. Damn, this Cajun seasoning, like, God damn. Alright, so I got it's the Cajun seasoning on the side, but this is for home. Why? Because I got that shit on my seat, right? And that shit won't come out. Oh my God. God damn! Okay. A little calm. Ain't mad at it. All together. Let's try French fry first. I don't know, Scott. You might marry whomever made this. Cajun is good. I get the fries. Take nice crispy. They crinkle cut. No, a basic ass French fry, but it's a nicely seasoned. So I'm gonna give this like a 3.8. Yeah. It's probably one of these big ass shrimp. They don't look that big. They big. Right. I should have grabbed something else. I got some Kroger sushi in the back. Sushi? I'm eating it. That's what I'm really eating for lunch. They fried hard, right? They don't have that same seasoning as like the French fries. Like the French fries got more seasoning than the shrimp. It ain't bad. Like, I could eat these like how they are. But I would give them like a 3 out of 5. 2.8. I got a 2.7. Let me see the Cajun sauce. I'm not gonna open it. I'll let you guys know in like Twitch or whatever. But I'm not opening that because I know if I open that shit gonna spill. It's gonna get in my pants. It's gonna get in my car. I'm gonna flip the fuck out because that shit is burning hot. 7,000 degrees. With that being said, guys, thank you guys for watching this video. I appreciate y'all. Catch y'all on the next one. This is the shrimp that you like. Why are you driving like that in a parking lot? Like he's lying.